Hello guys, hope all are you will fine. So, today I will make my brains curry. Just kidding, I will make beef brain curry. First I need to get some oil, then some chop onions. Then mix it some. The onion will like this. Then I put there 1 jayatri and 3 cardamoms, then mix it. Then you need to have 1 teaspoon ginger paste. Then 1 teaspoons coriander powder, some chili powder, some turmeric powder as taste, some mixed masala. Mix it with some water. Then put the brain. Then smash the brain like this. Cook this with some waters. If you like my video, like it, and subscribe my channel. Our recipe is done guys. Bye bye guys.